Good morning class. Today we discuss about salt. What do you understand by salt? Salt are those substances which will be formed by neutralization reaction. They are formed by neutralization reaction. We can already say that when any acid combines with base to form a salt and water. When an acid combines with base to form salt and water. We can already say that a salt is an electrovalent or ionic compound. Electrovalent or an ionic compound which will be formed by the partial and complete replacement of hydrogen atom of an acid by metallic ion. Now, how we classify salt? Salts are classified into following categories. Salts can be classified into following categories. First one is a normal salt, then acidic salt, basic salt, double salt, mixed salt and complex salt. Now, first we discuss normal salt. What do you understand by normal salt? The salt which formed by the combination of acid and base are called normal salt. The salt which formed by the combination of acid and base. We take an example. HCl is a acid, NaOH is a base. When HCl combined with base to form NaCl. So NaCl is a salt and also form water. H plus ion removed from this acid combined with hydroxide ion to form water. Now acidic salt. The salt which formed by the partial replacement of replaceable hydrogen of an acid by a metallic ion are called acidic salt. For example, sodium hydrogen sulfate, potassium hydrogen sulfate, potassium dihydrogen phosphate, sodium dihydrogen phosphate. Now, what do you understand by basic salt? Basic salt, the salt which formed by the partial replacement of hydroxide ion of diacidic or triacidic base are called basic salt. For example, copper hydroxyl chloride, magnesium hydroxyl chloride. Now, what is a double salt? The double salt are those type of salt which formed by the combination of two simple salt. That means normal salt are called double salt. For example, Mohr salt, potash alum. Mohr salt is an example of double salt. The formula of Mohr salt is FeSO4 dot NH4 का whole twice SO4 dot 6H2O. The chemical name of Mohr salt is ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate, hexahydrate. We can also known as Mohr salt, ferrous ammonium sulfate. Ferrous ammonium sulfate hexahydrate. Ferrous ammonium sulfate hexahydrate. Now the chemical name of potash alum. First we know what is the chemical formula of potash alum. K2SO4 Al2SO4 का whole thrice dot 24H2O. The chemical formula of potash alum is K2SO4 Al2SO4 का whole thrice H2O. The chemical name of this compound is potassium sulfate, aluminium sulfate, potassium sulfate and aluminium sulfate. Now, we can also known as potassium aluminium sulfate. Hydrated salt of potassium aluminium sulfate. Hydrated salt of potassium aluminium sulfate. Now we discuss mixed salt. Mixed salt are those type of salt which obtained by the neutralization of a dibasic or tribasic acid with different monoacidic bases, or by the neutralization of a diacidic or a triacidic base with different monobasic acid, are called mixed salt. So the example of mixed salt is disodium potassium phosphate or a bleaching powder, calcium hypochlorite. Now next is a complex salt. Complex salt are those type of salt which on dissociation in solution give a simple ion and a complex ion, are called complex salt. For example, K4FeCN6, potassium ferrocyanide. Thank you.